This video demonstrates the Hillstone Cloud Sandbox solution. Network security's offensive and defensive confrontation is essentially a determination of attack and defense costs, with the cost of time being most important. The variant of an unknown threat becomes easier, forcing the protection to respond quickly. For example, PE FilePacker and its variants need only a few seconds to propagate. Ransomware attacks are constantly morphing into other variants, each with the potential of causing economic losses. Therefore, the speed of detection and blocking of an unknown threat is critical to an organization. This presentation shows how fast Hillstone Networks can detect and block unknown threats. For a test environment, we used 2 clients and 1 HTTP server. A next-generation firewall with antivirus and the Hillstone Cloud Sandbox is deployed between each client and HTTP server. There are 3 gadgets. The test sample here is test virus. The format of test virus is an executable file called PE. A tool called PE mutate is used to make a variant of the test virus sample. The content of the variant file will change, but the behavior will not. MD5 sum is a tool for calculating a document's hash value. The hash value varies if the content of the various files differ. Now let's look at our sample demo. First, connect the HTTP server from PCA. There is only one file on the server. This is our original test virus. Second, on the HTTP server, a Linux OS, we transformed the test virus with the tool PE mutate to a variant called testvirus009.new. Third, we use the tool MD5 sum to separately compute the original test virus and its variant. As you can see, the 2 MD5 values are totally different, confirming that the variant malicious file has already been created. Fourth, we download the original test virus file and new variant file on the client side. Look at the threat detection result on the Hillstone Next Generation Firewall. At this time, we find that a threat was detected on the firewall, found by the antivirus module. But the variant malicious file is not immediately detected. Can Hillstone Networks detect a variant threat? How soon can it be identified? Can it be blocked after detection? During the waiting time, I would like to explain why the original virus file can be detected while the variants cannot. The reason is that the antivirus function of Hillstone's next generation installed firewall is to identify and protect known threats. Because the signature of the original sample virus is already in the antivirus signature library, it can be quickly identified. But with a new variant, the antivirus function, based on the known virus's signature, cannot find the new variant. Let's go back to Hillstone's next generation firewall management interface. After 24 seconds, a new virus variant is found by the Hillstone Cloud Sandbox. We download the virus variant on PCA again and found it cannot be downloaded again. Let's switch to our other environment. We access the variant through another firewall on PCB. Let's see if it can be detected and blocked. We notice NGFWB generates threat logs and the variant can't be downloaded. It shows that unknown threats are quickly detected and blocked in the global scope. How did we achieve this? The Hillstone Cloud Sandbox is an unknown threat defense solution that is based on cloud sandbox detection. How does it work? The Hillstone Cloud Sandbox seamlessly connects with a next-generation firewall, IPS, and a virtualization next-generation firewall. These devices provide local detection and verifications of documents. Once local devices cannot identify a threat, files are uploaded to the Hillstone Cloud Sandbox. The Hillstone Cloud Sandbox conducts static file signature matching. There are more than 1 billion signature databases in the cloud. If the static database does not match, the file runs in the sandbox environment, in corresponding virtualization environments according to attributes of files, such as the operating system, file format, and so on. Then you will know if the file is a threat or not. In a sandbox environment, systems track behaviors, such as network behavior, revising behavior on the registry file, other modifying behavior on system, and so on. The sandbox system determines the file's attributes based on behaviors. When the sandbox generates results, it synchronizes to local firewalls, IPS, and other equipment to generate correlation threat events. How is an unknown threat block accomplished? It is achieved by global threat intelligence sharing. After one access point finds a new threat variant, the Sandbox synchronizes the unknown file signature to all Hillstone Cloud Sandbox access points from a single to global point, and from unknown threat detection to known threats blocked through threat intelligence sharing. Take ransomware as an example. Once an access point finds the latest variant of ransomware, the Sandbox can share the newest information of ransomware to all devices that are connected with the Hillstone Cloud Sandbox. This process lets other devices quickly block the ransomware's variants. Now you've seen how Hillstone's Cloud Sandbox works to protect your network from both known and unknown threats, and informs your other security devices to quickly defend your network and your business assets through threat intelligence sharing. Thank you for watching this video demonstration of the Hillstone Cloud Sandbox solution.